Hey guys, just want to let you know I might have figured out an Einstein-Rosenberg bridge. Only because you can divide pi into three parts would it work. And if the three parts of pi are equivalent to the circumference of a wavelength at its lowest peak, plus the acceleration of which it's going, then maybe you can get past in time. So, here we go. Here it is. Alright, that's not it. That's planetary output. This is not it. But this equation is it right here. Kappa times acceleration plus pi minus 2. And I put minus I after that because I wasn't sure what to do about it. But, I'm guessing that you can do this only because it brings it back to the letter I. So, like, the way I figured it out, and it's interesting to see how many people would sit down and take the time to do this, but it seems like a fast equation. So, we start with kappa, and we go like that, I'm guessing. Then time acceleration. It hits one of the eyes, right smack dab in the middle of where this is eye right here. This bar right here is eye. And when you go over it, it's taken to the present. And you go under it because space-time needs to fluctuate. And you put an area. And area gets misconceived somewhere along the line. I can't remember, right here or something. I'm not sure, but it just messed with itself. And it goes minus mass, or that's not the way I drew it, but like the equation itself actually does work out to saying that I would bring you back from the future to the past. Because nothing can do something for you in mathematics. This just shows what part is useful about it. But I can't subtract 2 from pi, make it 1 point whatever it is, unless I had I think it's conjecture, or is or I don't know the word is. I think it's with an S. In a simile or something. I think that's the right word. Okay, and so when I made this up, I'm just fooling around with physics, but I also made up the equation for it over here, which shows that time and space is what you want it to be, and how come you can't have it that way is not your problem, but it's just the way it works. So, like, you can't multiply phi. So I would put a kappa on top to the power of the root of a times pi squared plus wavelength. GR is graviton. So like I said, there's a wavelength in here in this picture that sort of shows that you can do this. And I put times squared in the underneath it, or above it. I mean, not above, before it. and kappa was the wavelength that held it together. So I mean, like, if unless this is just space time fabric or something, or space time, I'd like to have a conversation with somebody about it because I think it's an Einstein-Rosenberg bridge. All right, so that's what I put it down as. What it was. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys looking at my work. I'm hoping to get more people to vote for me in the field of mathematics or physics. If I didn't win last year or the year before, year before that, I never received my card or an invite to anywhere. I was just told that I had a card in the mail or something, and then somebody stole it from me. I've been living in a group home for a while, so if you guys find it in your hearts to try and send me something for a company that I would like to be making, it would be a really great pleasure. And I'm thinking about just jumping into stock markets and in the stock market and just trying to gain some money that way. Seeing as how I'm good with this stuff, I might as well be good with other stuff. I don't know. Alright, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.